All right, guys, how you doing? Bright and early in the morning, heading over to the laundromat right now, getting ready to drop this joint off and do a real deal laundry test. All right, guys, I am on my way to the laundromat to go and grab what we left at the laundry to get done. Once I get to the laundromat, I'm gonna dig up in that bag, I'm gonna pull that shirt out, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what's going on with it. So you guys stay tuned. I'll check back in with you in a couple seconds. You dig. All right, guys, I don't know what you can see, but let me try to find this shirt up in here right quick. Uh-oh, that's me. Let me see if I can find this shirt right quick. We gonna do this video right here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Where this stuff at? Uh-oh, y'all. It's right here up top, so give me a second. Let me get up there so I can do this right with y'all. Alrighty, let me turn this thing around right here. Well, not turning it around, but so, guys, it's been washed twice. It's a little wrinkled. I need to, oh, y'all can't really see it because of the sunlight. Well, you can kind of see it. Hold on. So the one on the bottom, Jesus, let me see if I can get, y'all can't see. You know what? I'm gonna have to do this video when I get in the shop. So y'all just stay tuned. Give me a few minutes. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and do a little something here before I pull off, because I got a lot of stuff to do with this.
I want to make sure everybody's good.
Sorry about that. So I'm gonna try to do a little something here. So the one up top is the pigment ink. As you can see, we do have a little bit of fading on the color, but it's not going to stop your customer from loving their shirt or anything like that. And I'm gonna do this video again when I get inside the shop, but that's the pigment ink. This one is the sublimation ink. As you already know, the sublimation ink is popping harder than that one, but I did not follow the instructions as I was instructed. I did not wait 24 hours before pressing the garment. I did not wait 48 hours before washing the garment. And I washed it pretty much back to back real fast. So I did one wash on hand. Colors came out beautiful, wasn't an issue. This time we took it to the actual laundromat. The lady put it in the laundry with the rest of the clothes. I don't know exactly what she used to wash it with or how she dried it or whatever, but none of the ends are coming up off the shirt. But it does have some elasticity to it, guys, but it is not stretchable like cotton suds. But yeah, you guys can see it a little bit better back there because I guess I was in the sun. But yeah, man, this is a go for me. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on this material here. This is the artwork side by side. This is the sublimation ink. Jesus, you can't hardly see it. The sun is shining up in here, guys. This is sublimation ink on this side. This is the pigment ink. Both of them look beautiful to me. I wouldn't be mad at it if I got one of these shirts with this ink on there. It's definitely good to go to me. Now let me see here. Yeah, man, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. So we gonna rock and roll with it, man. But I would definitely say I believe the results could have been better if I waited, let it marinate for 24 hours before actually pressing it onto the shirt. But you know, we in the crafting world, we in the custom apparel world, and a lot of people don't have time to be waiting. So I personally will not be waiting. If somebody come in my shop, they need some shirts done, I'm gonna get them shirts done lickety split ASAP. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just tell those people, wash that shirt inside out, I'll tell them to wait 48 hours before washing it. Most people, I'm gonna be honest with you, they probably not gonna wash these within the first 48 hours. A lot of people, they get these shirts because sentimental reasons. A lot of rest in peace shirts, they rock them one time to the funeral, to the repast, whatever, and then they're putting it up someplace for like a keepsake, so they're not even going to worry about that. But I'm going to tell people, give it 48 hours before you wash it. Flip it inside out for best results. Of course, wash it by hand. Same thing I tell people to do with the cotton subs, but I've been washing cotton subs in the washer, and we are definitely on the 30th wash on cotton subs, and we don't treat it no different than anything else, and it's holding up beautifully, guys. The color's still vibrant. The stuff is still on there, ain't nothing coming up. As well as these here, there's absolutely no ends coming up on this shirt at all. So I don't know where you guys looking at, but ain't no ends coming up. Jesus, that sun is really coming in right over here, man. I'm gonna do this video again, guys, in a couple minutes. Let me get to the shop and I'm gonna do a rehash. All right, you did. All right, guys, I done made it to the shop here, chilling, sitting in my front office where I take the orders and get a lot of the stuff that I usually need to get done every single day. This is where the magic happens. This is my office. I got my printer right here. This is the printer I'm telling you guys that you need to use if you're gonna use pigment ink. Well, you don't need to use this. You just need to use some real pigment ink. But the printer that I use to print out anything that I'm doing on pigment ink is the HP OfficeJet Pro 7740. That's what I use to do this shirt, and for the sublimation I use the and this is a Hewlett Packard. For the sublimation I use the Epson Workforce 7720. But I am inside the building now, and I just want to show you guys. I do have a light right here, but you can see what the artwork looks like. I'm gonna move to the side. Matter of fact, let me hold it like this. Boom. So now y'all can see. Let's look. So this is the pigment. Boom. This is the sublimation, if you guys can see. So to me personally, guys, everything is a go. Like, I don't have any issues with any of this. The pigment ink, now I'm gonna be honest, everything does look a little bit faded, more faded than when I actually washed it the first time. As I said, I believe the reason why this happened is because I did not wait before washing. I washed this thing in less than 24 hours by hand in the sink. Got a lot of the color that actually come out of the black garment. And then, I don't know, what was that? Maybe a day? Maybe less than 2 days, definitely. I took this shirt and all my laundry actually to the laundromat, threw it in there with the rest of the stuff, and let the lady get down with it. So, let me show you. Boom. I don't know where y'all looking, but boom. And like, I'm loving the sublimation, guys. So this is what I'm gonna tell you guys to lean in with the sublimation. Even still, with the sublimation and the pigment ink on there, the sublimation definitely, it's always, you know, sublimation gonna fade pigment ink any day, but it's crazy because we bring it to the table, guys. We bring it to the table a product that can be used across two different kind of inks. That's crazy, because there's not really much out here on the market that you can use two kind of inks with. We rocking and rolling with it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on this. We're gonna do some more testing. I'm gonna let you guys do the test. The first people, whoever that's going to get an opportunity to actually get the Cotton Subs 2.0, please, 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 by all means, take this product, follow the instructions to the T, press it, wear it, wash it, have some fun in it, spill some stuff on it, you know what I'm saying, just go crazy, and come back and let me know what you guys think about it, man, because if you guys like it, I'm going to go crazy. But you know, compared to Cotton Subs, I love it for the simple fact, you want something that you can cut, you want something that can go across two different kind of inks, you want something that works just as well on cotton, dark and light, and blends, such as a cotton poly blend or 100% polyester. You put it on the material, as long as your ink is right, you good to go. So we can just take it, right off the film on the back and put it on the shirt and apply it. Any kind of vinyl cutter, you can slap it on in there and get your cut on it. We got that mask that you can mask and you put it on there. And you know what, guys? I just figured something out the other day. Because it's a printable vinyl, let's just say I don't know, you want some kind of funky pattern on your shirt and you ain't got the heat transfer vinyl to do that. You ain't got to worry about it with this. You can print the pattern out on the material. Use your plotter, cut it out, and put it on your shirt just like it was regular heat transfer vinyl. Best thing about it though, we going at 290 for 15 seconds, so that's absolutely crazy. We got a low temp and a very short time frame to put this on as well. So man, like I say, this is a product that's blowing my mind, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on it a little bit. I'm gonna let y'all test it out, and I'm gonna let y'all let me know exactly if I should go ahead and just go crazy with it, pull the bananas and get as much as I'm getting in cotton subs. So guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I appreciate you as always for being here, for checking in with me, for being part of this journey, for listening to my story, for taking whatever you taking from this journey that I'm giving, man, because I'm giving it up. The game is 100% absolutely free. All you got to do is pay attention. So guys, I hope you paid attention. I'm gonna get on up out of here though, because I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to do today. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna talk to you guys all later. Oh, before I leave, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you join us on Facebook group Cap University. And I'm gonna talk to you later. Hold on. I'm sorry, the UPS guy came by. I had to go holler at him. So anyway, guys, thank y'all so very much for checking in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of this journey. Just thank you for listening to me, getting any kind of value that you get, getting any type of entertainment that you get. Whatever you get, and I hope you continue to get it. And I'm going to talk to you guys later. Make sure that you love and respect one another, okay? Peace. Peace.